Hello students, in today's lecture we will discuss about usage of section and midpoint formula. The chapter is divided into two parts. The first part deals with the section formula and the second part deals with midpoint formula. In today's lecture I will teach you the usage of section formula. I have taken 2 points, point A and point B. The coordinates of point A are x1, y1. The coordinates of point B are x2, y2. So how do we use the section formula and how it is used? To use the section formula, I have to take another point P. Suppose the coordinates are xy. This point P divides AB into two sections. That's why it is called section formula. And the ratio in which it divides, the point P divides A and B, or say AB line segment, let the ratio be m/n. Then by using section formula I can find the coordinates of point P. The x coordinate is equal to m into x2 plus n into x1. It means to find x coordinate I have to multiply left hand side of the ratio to the right hand side of the x coordinate and right hand side ratio to the left hand side of x coordinate. So it becomes m into x2, mx2 plus nx1, nx1 over sum of ratio which is m plus n. Now similarly, the y coordinate is equal to m into y2 plus n into y1, m y2 plus n y1 over sum of ratio m plus n. I have written the statement for you. Calculate the coordinates of the point P which divides the line segment joining A and B in the ratio 1:2. So if I visualize, it becomes like this. Point A has coordinate 1, 3, point B has coordinate 5, 9, and this line segment AB is divided by the point P. I have taken the coordinates to be x, y in the ratio 1:2. So my x coordinate will be 1 into 5. When you will find x coordinate, to multiply left hand side ratio with the x coordinate. 1 into 5 is 1 5 is 5 plus 2 with 1. 2 ones are 2 over sum of ratio 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2. So my x coordinate is 7 over 3. Similarly, to find y coordinate, I have to multiply 1 with the y coordinate is 9 and 2 with the y coordinate that is 3. So 1 into 9 plus 2 into 3. So y becomes 9 plus 6 over sum of ratio 1 plus 2. After cutting you get 5. So I get my point P coordinates as 7 over 3, 5. This is second type of example. The statement is like this. Find the ratio in which line joining A, the coordinates are 3, 9 and x-axis is divided by the point 2, 3. Now if you remember, I told you earlier, whenever we take any point on x-axis, we take the coordinates as x, 0, and when we take the point on y-axis, we take the coordinates as 0, y. So the statement becomes like this on the figure. Point A has coordinate 3, 9. Another point, let me name it B. This point is on x-axis and the coordinates are x, 0. This line segment AB is divided by another point P. The coordinates are 2, 3. I have to find the ratio. Whenever you have to find the ratio, always assume ratio to be k/1. By using section formula, the x coordinate which is 2 now, it is equal to left hand side ratio k multiply by x, and 1 multiply by 3, it becomes kx plus 3 over sum of ratio k plus 1. In this equation there are two unknowns, so we cannot solve it further. Move to the next one. The y coordinate 3 is equal to k into 0, k zeros are 0 only, plus 1 into 9, 1 nines are 9 over sum of ratio k plus 1. Cross multiplication, on cancelling we get answer of k is, this implies the required ratio is 2:1.